As an approver, there may be times where you're away from the office and unable to review concur activity. So let's walk through the process to delegate those functions in your absence. Go ahead and select Profile Settings. Then we're going to select Request Delegates. And here we've already added another test approver, but if you go ahead and select the Add button, you can search for the person that you would like to delegate this function to. They also have to be an approver in the system, so if you're not seeing somebody listed, it's because they do not have the authority to perform this function. So once you found the person that you want to delegate this function to, you're going to select Can Approve Temporary. So go ahead and select that. You're going to select the dates that they can perform this function for you. So let's say you're going to be gone the rest of the week or maybe a few weeks, whatever it is. Select the appropriate dates. Make sure you say they receive approval emails. So this means anytime something that's submitted for you to approve, they also will be receiving those same notifications so that they know they can come in, act as you to perform that function of reviewing that activity. So they're still logging in as themselves, but they're actually going and looking at the activity that has been submitted for you to review during your absence. So once that's done, you're going to go ahead and click Save. And then that person will have the authority to approve those transactions or submissions that come in during your absence for the time that you've designated here. And then you can just leave them there for the future. You don't have to come back and remove them. And then you can perform this function again in the future if you need to delegate for future absences.